Check out the remote control car. It's a remote control car for a 9-month-old baby. Check them out. Look over here, Papa. Hey, hey, look. Hey, baby, switchy. Hey, you look. Look at his ride. Look at that. Check it out. Driving free-handed. Can eat some papa right at the same time. Hell yeah. Come on. Oh, how many of you could do this? Nehemiah, get off. That's cool. It's a remote control car, man. Nehemiah, hey, get off. Nehemiah, stop. You're going to break it. Hey, Gordo. Hi, Bobecito. Qué chulo. Let me see you. Let's say hi. Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Say happy birthday.
Okay.
Look at his new toy that he got for his birthday.